Hi everyone, this is Dave from Geek and welcome to another video in my PC build series. These are a couple of components that are going to go into my build to improve the airflow. These are Cooler Master Sickleflow 120 fans, very kindly sent out to me for this build by Novatech, so big thank you to them. Now we've got two of these. They are black, as you can see, red LEDs, so again they're going to match very well with the particular styling of this build. They're 120mm fans, 25mm in depth. You can see on the bottom of this particular fan, the one I've got out of the box, we've got a 3-pin connector. Also supplied inside the box is a 3-pin to 4-pin adapter as well. 2000 RPM, a great airflow as well of 69.69 CFM, so it's going to move a lot of air in our case and keep things nice and cool. And that's very important when you're doing a PC build. All of the components inside that confined space within the case are definitely going to generate a lot of heat, so getting some good airflow in there is very important indeed. Please do check out all of the other videos in this series. There is a link to the playlist in the video description. And then of course the final video, I'll give you my overall opinion, benchmark and review of the system, and I'll tell you how these have been performing. So thanks very much for watching. Please do hit that like button and I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to see another video of mine, please do click the annotation on the top of your screen now, and also you can click the annotation on the bottom of your screen and subscribe to the Geek channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all again next time.